I think about a bit more than 3 years ago, there was one day a discussion. We were looking at, what other companies are doing in terms of product development. And we said, look, if we want to do this professionally, and if we want to scale this as fast as possible for as many clients as possible, providing better services to as many customers, final customers as possible, then we should productize it. And we should make a different company. We should literally abandon the old company in favor of a new one, where this would be our only focus, creating the technology.